2010 Chevy Camaro SS Bumblebee 6.2 liter. This is what it sounds like before. Too quiet. Sound decibels? Go ahead. Again. Right at 95. One more. All right, guys, stay tuned. We'll let you hear it after. All right, guys, we've got a 2010 Chevy Camaro with only 14,000 miles. Original Bumblebee, guys. Check this car out. It's so clean. Looks like it just came off the showroom floor. As you guys can see, it's clean. Beautiful car. So what we got done on it, factory converters, 4 to there. Then we took out the resonator and put 2 CARVEN TRs, performance mufflers, right there. Part number CVETR 25, 2.5 in, 2.5 out. Then we put an X pipe after, right there. Then continued his original piping, 2.5 out the back. Added, and then took the 2 resonators off, or the mufflers, out the back, off there. And there, we'll show them to you guys in a second. And finished it off with some 5-inch black tips to complete the beautiful look. Look at that. Absolutely magnificent. It came out beautiful, guys. If I don't say so myself. Look at that. Beautiful car. Beautifully done. It's very fitting for a car of this stature. And it's got the 6.2 in it too. Remember that, guys. It is SS. There's the mids that were, there's the resonator, the huge resonator that was on it. It's a dual in, dual out. And there's the 2 mufflers that were on it right there too. And replaced them. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. So if you're in the area, come say hi. What do you think? Good. Is that it? Yeah. That's clean. What do you think, man? That's perfect. He didn't want anything crazy, just a clean sound. And CARVEN always delivers. Here's sound decibels. 107. Again. It's got a nice idle to it, it's not crazy loud. Let it idle. All right, go ahead. Oh, it sounds so good. I like it. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. Let you guys hear on the inside. All right, man. 2010 Camaro SS, CARVEN TRs, X-pipe, rear delete, 5-inch tips. Beautiful. Bumblebee yellow. Nothing crazy, idle's nice. Yeah, I like it. Beast mode. Enjoy, guys.